What if I tell you this soft, delicious slice of cake has no refined sugar, has no refined flour, is eggless and is made without oven? Can you believe it? There are so many reasons to try this cake, but the most power factor is that I have used ragi or finger millet flour to make this cake, which itself is a superfood, and you will love the flavor of ragi in this cake. Do try it and let me know. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this yummy cake recipe. I'll be not using oven, so here I'll bake my cake in this pressure cooker. So first I need to take out the rubber and the whistle. And now I'll be adding some salt. This is the salt I normally use for baking. Once used, it can be cooled down and stored and can be reused again and again. So here this salt, I'll spread it out evenly and I'll just keep a base. This is perfect, and close the lid and let it preheat in medium flame for around 10 to 12 minutes till we make our batter. So for batter I'll be using a ripe banana. It's 2 banana. The puree will be around half a cup, and here I have taken jaggery powder half a cup. 2 green cardamom I'll be adding, and I'll make a nice smooth puree. This puree will give a very nice flavor to our cake. So it's done, and this goes in a bowl. You can see it's around half a cup. So 2 whole ripe bananas I've taken. Oil I have added here 1/4 cup, and curd here goes, it's around 1/4 cup. Vanilla essence I'll be adding around 1 teaspoon, and I just need to mix it nicely. I'll mix it. See, the consistency is perfect for me. And now at this stage, and once it's done, I'll sieve some ragi flour. I'll take 1.5 cup of ragi flour. To this I'll be adding baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon, salt I'll add around 1/4 teaspoon, and I've add cocoa powder around 2 tablespoon. I'll add cocoa powder. Cocoa powder with ragi and banana will give a very nice flavor. I'll sieve all these dry ingredients to my banana and jaggery mixture puree, and now I'll start mixing in this way. And once I start mixing, I need here some milk. It's boiled cooled milk at room temperature. So milk I'll add according to my requirement, because we have already added banana in puree form. So I had taken around half a cup of milk. This I'll add little by little till it forms a very nice homogeneous mixture. The consistency should be perfect, neither too thin nor too thick, because the puree of banana, it also has some moisture, and adding half cup milk will make the trick. And once done, I have lined this cake tin with some butter paper, grease it nicely with some oil, and then to this I'll pour this beautiful mixture. This batter looks perfect to me. You can see the consistency, the color. Once done, tap it gently. You can add any dry fruit of your choice, but here I had my immunity booster laddu. This is the last piece that is left out, so I'll just crumble it and add it. It has all the nuts, seeds, everything. You can check out the link in the description box. It's perfect for me, and it's done. Now let's start baking, and it's perfectly preheated. It has been 15 minutes now. Carefully I'll place it, close the lid, and then let it bake on medium flame for around 30 minutes. As this is a millet cake, we should not over bake it, otherwise it will start to crumble when we cut it. So after 25 minutes I had started checking, so needed to bake it for 5 minutes more. So after 30 minutes it's perfectly done. You can see this cure is completely dry. So now I'll carefully remove it and let it cool in room temperature for around 1 hour. Make sure to cover the cake when you allow it to cool at room temperature, otherwise the crust will dry out. This small tips works wonders for this cake, and you can see once it has cooled down how beautifully I can remove the wrapper. It's perfectly done, perfectly baked, beautiful texture. And who can believe this is a millet cake which is made without any refined flour, without any refined sugar, without egg, and without oven. I am just in love with this recipe, and now it's time to check the texture and softness of this moist beautiful cake. You can see the texture. It's so airy, it's so fluffy, and with all the goodness of millet. And as I'd already said, as it's a gluten-free cake also, if we over bake it, it will start to crumble. So make sure you don't over bake it. And for me, this recipe is perfect and the cake is perfectly done. Enjoy this goodness of this millet chocolatey banana flavored cake with your family, and everyone will love it. Do try and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from इकरार. He writes, बहुत ही खूबसूरत भरता, उम्मीद है जायकेदार भी ज़रूर होगी. I am gonna try all of them as a big fan of आलू भरता. Thank you. Thank you so much इकरार for your beautiful lovely words. And I am too, I am a big fan of aloo bharta, one of the classics of Indian recipes. So thank you for letting me know. Do watch out my videos. Stay safe and stay connected. And for this recipe, it's definitely a thumbs up. Do try it. If you have loved my recipes, loved my effort, you can share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. Then also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.